Found a nice warm December day, so we're actually going to come out and play some golf. I get to finally use this cart that I got. I'm excited about it. I want to talk about a little bit about the size of it, because the best part about it is that it is super lightweight and compact. So that was one of the nice things that I love about it. It will easily fit into a trunk for me and my truck. My golf clubs are a lot bigger than that itself. So that's just the compact size of it and how easy it is, and we're going to show you how this thing gets set up. Okay, now we're out on the golf course to show how easy this is to set up. It's got red little latches, so you can just pull that red latch back. Once you pull it out, you just tighten the red latch again on the side here. Once you go from there, there is a spot for your foot. You can actually go and fold out. You can see the wheels will come out on the back side of it. Once you get that finished in, here's that red I was talking about. So once again, I'm just going to tighten this down. That locks it in place. So one of the reasons why I really love this and I wanted to go with this style was because I like the 4 wheels. I've had friends that use the 3 wheels that kind of tumble, fall over, so I love the stability basically of these 4 wheels. That was one of the things I loved the most about it. Once you get everything set up, you can place your bag onto your cart. Slides in, it's got a nice spot to catch on the bottom. And then it's got 2 easy setup straps, so you can go however you like. I usually go underneath. You go and to lock into place. So it's got your bag nice and secure on the side, which is great. Some of the features that I kind of wanted to go over and I'll show. Obviously you have spots with your balls in itself, but some of the neat things that I do like are, I'm going to have you come over here and kind of take a closer look. On this back side, you actually have a cooler bag where you can, I usually throw an ice pack in one of them and then throw drinks in there, and it helps keep it cool, cooler than normal. You also have just a little extra storage bag in here. Also comes with a nice little handy cup holder that you can slide right on. And the nice things about most of these cup holders is usually they're only one size, but it's actually got an adjustable on the bottom to tighten or loosen, and then it has a little bit of flex in it to hold that bottle as well. So that is just another neat little bonus that it has on it. On this front side over here, kind of show, you got a place you can store balls. They kind of just pop right in. Place to store your tees as well. This is kind of neat. You have a elastic band over the top here, so you can actually put your scorecard over here and it'll actually hold your scorecard, and these will actually also hold pencils and tees. So you kind of got a little both worlds. Another nice little hidden storage. I usually throw a little extra golf balls and things like that in there as well. And my glove, that's one of the just easy way to get to, and it is magnetic. Nice strong magnet on the top, which is pretty neat to have as well. As you can see, like I talked about, it's got the 4 tires. I do like that the metal framing is really nice and sturdy. There's no bending or any issues like that within that metal frame. So that's just kind of another one of those added bonuses like I always talk about. You also have a brake up here. So if you want to lock it in place, now you don't have to worry about it, and you're able to clip it easy back down to start moving again. But overall, nice, easy, smooth cart, like I said. Even up on areas like if you're in the rough or a bad golfer like I am sometimes, you can easily take it up. It's, like I said, super lightweight. Even be able to go up on a hill and come right back down. So that's just another one of the things. Like I said, I love the 4 wheels. 4 wheels, I think, is what makes it so nice and easy. But overall, this is a great cart, solid cart, bunch of little added extras just to add to it.